siya. Yung mga films now is, yung sabi ni Blay nga, mas nag-advocate na siya sa rights, yung totoong nararamdaman, yung pain and the darkness that these people go through on a daily basis and how society perceives them.
Same thing. Be true to yourself. In a way na yung respect is nandun lagi.
As part of the community, and just be yourself. Feel free to express what you feel.
No, regardless of allyship or kung how people would express themselves. It's just right na maging human being tayo na sa pakikitungan natin sa lahat. So ayun lang, practice kindness, ganun.
Kung bibigyan ka ng for example 500 million ngayon, tatanggapin mo ba? Pero ang catch, hindi ka mabubuhay bukas.
Okay guys, so meron lang pa Q&A kasi today is a special day. Charot! Pause ko lang to. So parang I just wanted to create kasi parang a community where we just share our thoughts, stories. Parang I want din i-post to para parang siguro it's a way for them to celebrate Pride Month na parang for the people who are part and people who supports, parang ganun. So I just have few questions lang. So few like 5 lang ha. Char. Tapos first question natin is what do you think about the film? Pasa. Mabilis lang siya.
Record lahat?
Oo, recorded lang siya.
Ganda.
Pasa.
Bakit lang sinabi mo?
It's so funny and touching, and it's my kind of flavor when it comes to film.
Ako naman, I like how kung paano ginawa yung storytelling. It's like a theater type. Ganda.
For me, actually maganda naman siya. I have watched yung musical niya, and almost same with the flow, and mas maganda yung ngayon. I mean, maganda siyang balik-balikan with the story, and it shows yung reality rin of being part of the LGBTQ plus
Rainbow
community.
Na para safe.
Yes.
Yes, I.
Yung short movie is true to life siya, di ba? And it really reflects yung usual na lifestyle ng mga bakla pagtanda, which is
Just to be happy, no?
sad.
Oo.
Kung iisipin mo, parang ang babaw lang. Sana mabago yung ganun.
True. Yun. So, second question natin is, parang kasi 'di ba now, this film was made parang very, very matagal na siya. So, i-compare mo noon, 'di ba yung mga bading, parang just laughing stuff. Tapos parang now, how do you see the difference of LGBT films compared before to now? Parang may difference ba or may pagbabago?
Parang feeling ko the difference lang is with the films now, it really advocates more of like the rights of the people in minority as compared to sa old films naman, it's a showcase of what was really happening prior to like having visibility kumbaga. So pero I think yung direction parang same pa rin naman.
Jill?
I guess before, like as you said, before it was less serious. I mean, some of the things were delivered in such a way na comedic siya. Yung mga films now is, yung sabi ni Blay nga, mas nag-advocate na siya sa rights, yung totoong nararamdaman, yung pain and the darkness that these people go through on a daily basis and how society perceives them. Yun. So, I guess yun yung difference now.
Actually, parang parehas din yung sasagot ko kay Jill na ganun. And siguro ngayon, feeling ko ang mga film ngayon is mas empowered ang mga LGBTQ ngayon compared sa dati kasi mas focused on yung internal sa hindi masyadong nailalabas kumbaga yung mga gusto mong sabihin noon compared sa ngayon.
When it comes to yung difference between yung mga previews or yung mga sa past, I think when it comes to past, yun nga, lighter, very light yung atake, wherein hindi tumatatak. When it comes to, though ang tatatak lang is yung funny side, pero yung message that they are conveying hindi siya masyadong tumatatak to people compared today na mas more realistic, sabihin natin more realistic, at saka pinapakita yung what really happened, so ina-advocate ng community. So ayun, I believe kung maano natin mix natin din yung before na masaya, yung fun and light way na talagang tatatak din to the community and the other, I mean to the group or to the society, that would be better.
Same thing with the rest. I just want to add na yung old films, syempre parang napapanahon lang during that time.
True.
And yung mga new films about gay naman ngayon, kumbaga yung development nandun na ipakita
Hindi na puro joke.
may depth na parang ganun.
True.
Although yung ito naman yung old, may ganun pa rin naman. Pero iba lang yung atake, sabi niya.
Okay, second to the last question. If you are part of the LGBT community, or if you are supporting the LGBT community, parang how do you show your support, or how do you show na parang you support your community as an LGBT or as a supporter of an LGBTQIA+? Ay, sige, si Vanch na lang muna para iba-iba.
Ay, sa akin naman, everyone has to express naman kung ano yung talagang gusto nilang express, and I think yun yung pinangahawakan talaga natin lahat, yung freedom of expressing yourself.
Si Blay.
Hirap ang Miss Universe.
Parang feeling ko bare minimum naman na regardless of allyship or kung how people would express themselves. It's just right na maging human being tayo na sa pakikitungan natin sa lahat. So ayun lang, practice kindness, ganun.
Yeah, to piggyback on what Blay was saying, it goes without saying naman talaga na, to be kind to one another, kahit sino pa sila, kahit saan pa sila nanggaling, whether kung ano mang dimension sila na ngayon. Kindness is a bare minimum practice that we should implement on each other as human beings. So itong mga events ni Joms na nag-advocate talaga for kindness and the LGBTQIA+ are some of the events that we always support, because we have the heart for all kinds of human beings.
True. Okay, DJ.
For me, as part of the community, just be yourself. Feel free to express what you feel, and to all the supporters, talagang we need to be kind din, as what they are saying, to be kind to everyone. Ayun, basta yun, be kind and be yourself.
Same thing, be true to yourself, in a way na yung respect is nandun lagi. Parang kung hindi ka man nirespeto, respect mo pa rin yung nila. Kasi it all boils down to kindness naman.
Okay, last question. Magkano ang kwento ng buhay mo?
Kasi priceless siya. Sabi nga sa film. So, you cannot put a price on, your life and the good experiences.
True. Same. Priceless din. Priceless din ang kwento ng buhay. Nating lahat. Dahil every life matters vastly in this world. Ayun. Ikaw, magkano sa'yo?
Pwede ng 10 million?
Depende kung ilan yung i-offer. Bale, ilang taon na ako nga? 31? 1 million per year? Na joke lang. Plus 0. Plus 1 0. Yun, hindi talaga natin mabibilang yung zero ng ano yun? Hindi ko alam yung price ng buhay natin. So talagang priceless siya.
Ayun, for the price, it's money can buy it. Talagang priceless siya. You need yung worth mo, yung self-worth mo, it is not hindi siya pwede i-compare with any amount of money or treasure or what. Pero ayun, talagang it's very important. Then aside from that, yung nakaka-share din yung being part of the community to share and being able to contribute talaga. It's hindi mo mabibili ng pera.
True.
Tama naman. Priceless, period.
May gusto lang ako i-share. Parang may na ano lang ako may hindi may nabasa lang ako na kung bibigyan ka ng for example 500 million ngayon, tatanggapin mo ba?
Okay.
For what?
Pero ang catch, hindi ka mabubuhay bukas.
Okay. Ay, sorry.
Tatanggapin mo pa rin ba?
Oo, donate ko sa ano.
Kunyari hindi. So hindi na, 'di ba? So yun, your life is
Waking up alive is still more,
Oo.
mas mahal pa rin yun.
is
kaysa
more
sa
than
500.
any amount of money.
Ano 500 million?
So guys, we are concluding this discussion. So hopefully sa mga next na magagawin namin sa community namin, we just want to share discussions on things para magkaroon ng eye-opening or parang discussion on the thoughts of every individual. So catch you on to the next episode. Oh, charot. Bye. Oh, guys, sulat na. Thank you.